Welcome. Find a comfortable position lying on your back. Close your eyes and allow your body to become completely supported. In Tantra, Yoga Nidra is known as the gateway to Samadhi, remaining conscious while the body enters deep rest. As the body sleeps, awareness stays awake, and in this space, profound healing and regeneration take place. Start with a slow inhale and exhale. One more time, settling into the body, noticing its weight, and making any final adjustments before we allow the body to sleep, although we are not allowing the mind to sleep. Affirm to yourself now, I will stay awake. We'll count down from 10, allowing the body to surrender. 10, relaxing. 9, softening. 8, letting go. 7, breathing easier. 6, growing heavier. 5, quieter. 4, peaceful. 3, calm. 2, deeply relaxed. 1, completely at rest. Bring your awareness to the surface of your entire body. The subtle vibrations along the outline of your body. Relax the skin of the forehead, the temples, the eyelids, cheeks, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, all fingers. Relax the chest, abdomen, hips, legs, feet, all toes, growing heavier and heavier. Now soften beneath the skin, relaxing the muscles, softening the little muscles around the eyes, the face, the tongue, the throat, relaxing the upper back, the muscles around the shoulder blades, mid-back, lower spinal muscles, the muscles around the sacrum, feel your entire back melting into the earth. Relax the muscles of the chest, around the ribs, the belly, the waist, and the hip flexors, pelvic floor, relax the entire torso. The muscles of the upper arms, the muscles of the forearms, palms, every finger. Relax the thighs, the hamstrings, calves, the soles of the feet, your entire muscular system is now completely relaxed. Relax your brain as if it were a muscle. Feel your heart beating steadily, your lungs breathing effortlessly, your stomach, liver, kidneys, every internal organ working with ease and perfect intelligence. Now move deeper to the bones. Feel the skull, the jaw, each vertebra of the spine, the pelvis resting heavy, thigh bones, kneecaps, shins, ankles, the heels. Your entire skeleton rests effortlessly, fully supported, regenerating stronger and stronger with each breath of awareness. Now become aware of every living cell throughout your body. Imagine each cell filling with warm golden light, renewing, rejuvenating, every muscle recovering, every organ revitalizing, every nerve balancing, every bone strengthening. Your entire body remembers exactly how to heal. Feel your whole front body. Your whole back body. your entire body as one unified field of awareness. Take one slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Begin to deepen your breath and take your time to re-enter the space, carrying this deep sense of peace, renewal, and presence with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.